Hello and welcome to this first lesson on a course in 弟子规. 弟子规 is usually translated as the rules for students or standards for being a good pupil. It was written in the Qing dynasty in classical Chinese and emphasizes the basic requirements for being a good student. Although the book is aimed at children, its contents are also applicable to adults. It's written in a 3-character verse style and is about 7 chapters in length. It's very short. Without further ado, let's get into it. 弟子规, the rules for students. 弟子 means students and 规 means rules. So literally, students' rules or the rules for students. 总序 just means outline. 弟子规 圣人训. So again we have 弟子规, which means the rules for students, and the second half is 圣人训. 圣人 means sages or saints, and 训 means teachings. As with a lot of classical Chinese, the R here is implied. A lot of times you have a phrase where the first part of the phrase is the head, the topic, and the second part is the comment on that topic. So in this case, we have 弟子规 is the topic, and then so we have the rules for students, and what about it? 圣人训, it is the sage's teachings. So it is the or are the is implied here. Okay. 首孝悌次谨信. So here 首 means first, and 孝 is a verb. It means to be good to parents or to be filial. T means is also a verb meaning to be loving to siblings. Okay, and the and is implied. This is again a common structure where you have a phrase where you have an and clause, I guess, and you would say blank and blank. So it's not like 孝 is the adverb and T is the verb. No, they're both verbs. So it's first be good to parents and loving to siblings. And the second part of this phrase has the same structure. 次 means next, and 谨信 means be cautious and be trustworthy. So 谨 is to be cautious, 信 is to be trustworthy. So 首孝悌次谨信. First, be good to parents and loving to siblings. Next, be cautious and trustworthy. 泛爱众而亲仁. 泛 means broad or extensive. 爱 is to love, and 众 means everyone. In this case, you can kind of just don't need to translate extensively love everyone. Just write love everyone. Keeps it simpler. 而亲仁, 儿 means and, 亲 means become close to, and 人 means compassionate or compassionate people. A lot of times there'll be an adjective like this that's used to mean people who are that adjective. So in this case, meaning compassionate people. So 泛爱众而亲仁, love everyone and become close to the compassionate. 有余力则学文. Sorry, the pinyin one should be second tone, not fourth tone. So here we have 有, which means to have. 余 means leftover or extra, and 力 means strength or energy in this case. 则 means then, and it hints at how this phrase is structured. It's typically used in if-then phrases, so therefore this implies that the first part of this phrase starts with a if. Anyway, we'll come back to that. 学完 means learn books or study books. So because we have this 则 in the middle, we know at the beginning there should be an if. So 有余力则学完 is translated as if there's energy left over, then study books. Chapter 1, 入则校. 入 means to go into, and 则, like we just talked about, means then. 校 means be good to parents. 入, it's implied that it means entering the home. So, like when entering the home, then be good to parents. So this gets translated as at home, be good to parents. 入则校. Enter, then be good to parents. 父母呼应勿缓. When parents call, don't be slow to answer. 父母, of course, means parents. 呼 means to call. 应 means respond or answer. 勿缓, 勿 means do not, and 缓 means slow. So literally this is written as parents call, answer, don't be slow, or don't be slow in your answer. 应勿缓. So the answer should not be slow, or don't be slow to answer. 父母呼应勿缓. 父母命行勿懒. So you can kind of hear the rhyme between this phrase and the last one. Again, so this phrase means when parents give an order, act, don't be lazy. 父母命. 父母, of course, means parents. 命 means to give an order. 行 means act. 勿 means, again, do not, and 懒 means lazy. So 父母命, when parents give an order. 行勿懒, act, don't be lazy. The when is implied. 父母教，须敬听. When parents teach, one must listen respectfully. 父母教, 教 means to teach. 须敬听, 须 means must. 敬 means respectfully, and 听 means listen. So one must listen respectfully. 父母责，须顺承. So 责 means reprimand. So parents reprimand, or when parents reprimand. 须顺承. 须, again, means must or need. 顺 is like compliant or accepting. 承 means to accept from above or receive. So compliantly accept, or one must accept. Okay, so this is the end of lesson 1, and now let's review what we learned today. 总序，弟子规，圣人训，首孝悌，次谨信，泛爱众，而亲仁，有余力，则学文，入则孝。父母呼，应勿缓，父母命，行勿懒， 父母教，须敬听；父母责，须顺承. Alright, that wraps up lesson 1. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments and I will answer them as soon as I can. And look out for lesson 2 coming soon. See you then. Bye.